Okay, so let's hear from Kenneth. Kenneth, you finished?
Yes.
Okay, great. So, Kenneth, I'd like you to describe an important life event in your country. Kenneth, can you start?
Yes.
Mm.
I think one of the most important life event in my country is getting a driver license.
Mm.
Because I strong think that this is a very significant milestone for young people in Vietnam,
Mm.
and it usually happens when people turn 18, 18
Mm.
because this is a legal age to learn how
Age,
to
yes.
ride.
Mm.
This age is also seen as the moment when we officially
Officially.
become adults, no
Mm.
longer considered a student.
Mm.
Well, how do we prepare for it? Well, this is far from easy.
Easy. Okay, good, good. Mm.
There are many steps we have to follow. Uh,
Mm.
can study can study traffic class
Traffic
or
laws.
relative things driving skills, and I really do take a very long time because we have to pass several tests.
Mm.
Um, important because having a driving
License. Mm.
license is necessary for many jobs and daily activities. It gives us more chance to find work and also makes our life more convenient.
Right.
Yes.
Very good, very good. That's amazing. I like that. Okay. Let's hear from Tom. Tom, you finished, Tom? Tom is
Vâng,
here.
sorry, it's my
Not yet, not yet. Okay. How about Loy? Loy, you finished?
Sorry,
Yeah.
I haven't.
You haven't finished yet. Yeah, I'd like you to finish this one, okay? Yes. Yeah. Let's move on to writing, okay? So maybe we have a chance to do it next meeting, okay? And I'd like you to finish it, okay? Now, this table here for writing task 2 shows about the cost of an average wedding in the UK, all right? So in here, what you need to do in our next exercise is we have here sample, what is that? Completes writing task 1 answers. So we have here the introduction. So this is our introduction here. And then we have our overview right here. And this is our body paragraph, all right? Now, what you need to do right now is I want you to read the model answer, okay, or model essay. And I want you to choose a correct answer or choice in numbers 1 to 7. So we have number 1 here, for example. And the answer should be found in the table right here, okay? So for example, as an overview, it is clear that most money is spent on reception. So if you check here reception, this is reception right here, all right? And that is 5,690. So as compared to ceremony, so ceremony that only costs 520 pounds, okay? So reception is the answer for number 1. Okay, so what you need to do is I want you to read the model answer and do exercise numbers 1 to 7 and choose the correct answer, all right? And you can find the answer right here in the table to the left of your screen. So we have here number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, and number 7. Okay. So this is pretty easy. So I think we can do this in 3 minutes. Okay, everyone. I want you to do this in 3 minutes, and after that, we're going to check the answers. Okay. Okay, so Tom, what's your answer number 2, Tom?
Number two is um, uh, to um, number two is A.
So the least amount of money is spent on number 2, that's honeymoon. You have to read, okay? So 3,100 as compared to presents, that's, are you sure? So least
And
amount,
number two is honeymoon.
are you sure honeymoon is here? And presents is right here. So the least, okay? The least, I think the smallest is presents, okay? Smallest. All right, so least means smallest, okay? So presents is right here. That only costs 205, and the honeymoon here costs 3,100, okay? How about your number 3, Tom?
Number three is $1,000.
So the highest amount of money was spent on reception. So we check reception here, right? It cost almost 6,000 pounds. Very good, right? Number 5.
Number five is wedding cake.
This is twice the cost of the, let's see here, 5,000. And your answer here is wedding cake, wedding cake, wedding cake, 370. And we have here honeymoon, that's 3,100. Twice, okay? Twice means 2 times, okay? So that should be honeymoon, okay? So we have your reception here. That's almost 6,000, and that is almost twice the cost of honeymoon, okay? 3,000, almost 6,000, so twice, double, okay, 2 times. Number 5, Lloyd, what's your answer number 5?
Teacher number five, flowers.
So the wedding rings and the flowers cost almost the same, all right? So we have here wedding rings and flowers, right? Number 5, couples spend more on entertainment.
Um, wedding cake.
We have here wedding cake, and number 7.
Number seven, presents.
Presents
Yes.
are least expensive items. So we have presents here, only 205. Very good. So this is our model answer here, everyone. I will send this to your Zalo, all right? So you will have a model answer for writing task 1, okay? Let me send this to your Zalo, everyone here. So you will have a model answer, okay? And I want you to do like this at all. Writing task 1. Model answer, yeah. Like this, okay. Okay, amazing, yeah. Now let's do this one again one more time, and I want you to choose the answer from the box here, okay? Here. So for example, the reception. So we have the reception here is the most expensive item. Okay, so we have here the most is finished, all right? So we have to, I want you to, so we have the most here. So I want you to check again the graph right here. All right. And I want you to choose the answers from the box. So we have here almost the same, cost almost the same, cost almost, more, twice the cost, and the least. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we already have used the most. Okay. So you only have to find here 5 more correct answers. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, no worries, Sam. Yeah, no worries. Yeah. So Sang, what you need to do here is I want you to check the table here. Yeah. And what you need to do is I want you to fill in the gaps here, numbers 2 to 6. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, all right? And the answer should be found here, okay? Kenneth, what's your answer number 2, Kenneth? Are you drawing,
Yes.
Kenneth? Yeah, what's your answer number 2?
Number two is cost on more.
Yeah, cost almost. Number 3,
Number three is the least.
couples spend the least on presents. Yes, number 4. Tom, what's your number 4, Tom?
Sorry, teacher. Um, my phone has problem. I think
Uh,
I have to reject my phone because
uh,
it's just 5%.
5% battery. Okay. Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
Sorry, thank you.
Yeah, no problem, Kenneth. Yeah, Tom, what's your number 4, Tom?
Yes, number 4 is cost almost the same.
The
Almost
wedding,
the
the wedding,
same.
dre- the wedding dress and the photograph, wedding dress and photograph cost almost the same. Very good. Number 5, Tom.
Number 5 is more. Number 5 is more.
The dress is
More
is
is
more. Let me see. Twice the cost. Okay. Twice the cost of the entertainment. And lastly, couples spend more on wedding rings than they do on the ceremony. Okay. So this is what we do for writing task 1. We have to compare we have to make comparisons for writing task 1 data essays. Okay. And these are some of the common ways we can compare A and B. Okay. So I'd like you to remember them, all right, and use them in your writing task 1, all right? Now here, let us answer here. Again, I'd like you to check the table here. And what you need to do is I want you to underline or encircle or choose the correct answer. For example, I want you to, I'd like you to not choose, but I'd like you to write sentences about the items. Okay, for example, the reception is the most expensive. Okay, so the reception, so we have reception here, is the most expensive. It costs $9,572. Okay, so that's an example number 1. I'd like you to give example number 2. So you will only do 3, 4, 5, and 6. For example, the reception is nearly twice the cost of the honeymoon. So we have here, for example, the reception and honeymoon. So the reception is nearly twice the costs, okay, of the honeymoon. So the reception here cost 9,500 and honeymoon here cost 5,200 plus, okay? So I want you to do 3, 4, 5, and 6, okay? And from these, I want you to write sentences, okay? And we can find the information here, all right? So let's do this in another 3 to 5 minutes. And after that, I want you to um, speak your answer in the class, okay? Yeah. Okay, so Loy, what's your answer number 3, Loy?
Oh, yes.
Mm.
The wedding cake it must the same as the presents.
The wedding cake, yeah, so you just compare our answer. The wedding cake, or the cost of the wedding cake is almost the same as the presents. Very good. Number 4, Loy.
Number 4, uh, the cost of the reception is almost $10,000.
The cost of the reception is almost 10,000 US dollars, right? Number 5, Sam. Number 5, Sam, what's your number 5?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, what's your
Num
number 5, Sam?
Number 5. The wedding dress is more expensive than
The flowers.
uh, the flowers.
Okay, so the cost of the flowers is more than the cost of the wedding dress. So how much is the flowers here? Flowers is 1.3. Wedding dress here is sorry. The wedding dress, correct, not the cost of the flowers. Okay. The wedding dress, correct. You're correct. Okay, so the wedding dress is more than the cost of the flowers. So we have here the wedding dress is here 1.7. Flowers only 1.3. Yeah, you're correct, Sam. This is wrong. Okay. What about your number 6, Sam?
Number 6. The presents are the least expensive item.
Very good. The presents, okay, are the least expensive, or the cost for the presents is the least, or the presents are the least expensive item. Very good. That's amazing. Okay. So again, here's an example. Writing task 1 essay here. So we have, oh, sorry. So we have here introduction. What's happening? So we have here introduction, overview, and body paragraph 1. Okay, so let me send this to your Zalo so you can have a model answer. All right, and when you write your writing task 1, you will do the same thing. Okay, all right. So let me send this result. All right, yeah. Model answer, yes. Okay, here. This one. Okay, so for your homework, I want you to do this one, okay? I want you to do grammar and writing task 1. So for example, a baby's first birthday is an important event in Malta. It is celebrated with a special party, okay? I'll give you 2 examples here. It is called Il Cucina and friends and family, etc. Okay, so this is your first homework, and your second homework is I want you to do writing task 1. So this is your second homework right here, this one, and I want you to write a complete essay. Okay, yeah, okay, here, this one, let me show you. Okay, here, right here. So here, this is the cost of an average wedding in Canada. All right. And yeah, your homework is here, okay? Yes. In Canada. Oh, I think this is not your homework. Yes. This is in UK. Yes. I will send the I'll send you the model answer, okay? So anyway, I want you to do this as your homework right here, okay? And you can try to write your own answer, okay? And also I will send you another table, because I think this is a model answer here. So I will send you another table, and I want you to do um, this homework writing task 1, okay? So you will have 2 homework. The first one is writing task 1, and the second one is vocab and grammar review, okay? So that's all for today, everyone, and see you on Sunday, okay?
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, everyone.